Everyone wants money, but no one talks about what it feels like when your wallet is empty, when your phone rings and you're scared to answer because it might be another bill. You wake up every morning, not excited, not motivated, just worried. Worried about rent, worried about food, worried about the future. You scroll social media. Everyone looks successful. New cars, nice vacations, perfect lives. But your reality? Checking your bank balance before buying a coffee. People say money doesn't buy happiness, but they never say that lack of money buys stress. It buys sleepless nights. It buys anxiety. It buys that painful feeling when you want to help your family, but you can't. You're not lazy. You're not stupid. You're just stuck. But one day, something inside you changes. You get tired. Not tired of working, tired of being broke, tired of excuses, tired of watching others win while you stay in the same place. And that day, you make a decision. No more complaining, no more waiting, no more blaming. You start learning, you start building, you start improving. Small steps every single day, because you finally understand something powerful. Money isn't luck. Money is value. The truth is, no one is coming to save you. No rich uncle, no magic opportunity, just you. Your discipline, your decisions, your consistency. One day, your hard work will pay off. The same people who ignored you will ask how you did it. And when that day comes, you'll remember something. You weren't chasing money. You were building freedom. So start today, because the life you want is waiting on the other side of the work you avoid.